case of a decompression in the cabin, oxygen masks will drop in front of you automatically. Take the nearest mask immediately, pull it down, and secure it over your nose and mouth. Put on your mask before helping others. Keep your mask on until advised to remove it. In the event of an emergency landing, please assume the impact position. There are emergency exits on either side of this aircraft. Please take a moment to familiarize yourself with the nearest exit to you. If an evacuation is necessary, guiding lights will illuminate to guide you to the exit. Prior to leaving the aircraft, remove your shoes, leave everything behind, reach your nearest exit, and slide down. Your life vest is located under or to the side of your seat. When instructed, slip the life vest over your head, pass the straps around your waist, and adjust it at the front. At the exit, inflate the life vest by pulling the tags down or blowing into the tubes at the top. Then follow the flight attendant's instructions. For more information, please read the safety card in the seat pocket in front of you or near you. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read the instructions illustrated there. If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to call one of our flight attendants. In preparation for takeoff, please make sure your seatbelts are fastened, seat backs and accessories are in their upright position, and all window shades are open. Civil aviation laws prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors located in the aircraft lavatories. Smoking in lavatories or passenger compartment is prohibited, including the use of electronic cigarettes. Thank you for your attention. Saudia wishes you a pleasant flight.
ضيوفنا الأعزاء، نستمع الآن إلى دعاء السفر، وهو من الأدعية التي كان يدعو بها رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم عند سفره.
Ladies and gentlemen, the text you are about to hear is a supplication which Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, used to pray upon traveling.
الله أكبر، الله أكبر، الله أكبر. سبحان الذي سخر لنا هذا وما كنا له